Hi, boys and girls. It's Friday, and here's a story for Friday about a bumblebee. Only this bumblebee is sneezing. Achoo! Achoo! It's called The Bee's Sneeze, and the author's name is Ellis Nadler. Let's read what happens when the bumblebee sneezes. Oh boy. I think this might be a funny story. Look at that bumblebee. The bees sneeze. Bzz, bzz, bzz. A bumblebee said with a wheeze, "Oh my, I think I'm going to sneeze." A spider appeared from thin air and swallowed the bee right then and there. Chomp! Look at that spider. He ate that bumblebee. The bumblebee has to sneeze. A greedy frog's mouth opened wide, and he swallowed that spider right inside. So the spider ate the bumblebee, and the frog ate the spider. A duck waddled down from the hill and scooped up the frog in his bill. So the duck ate the frog ate the spider, and the spider ate the bumblebee. And the bumblebee has to sneeze. A raccoon reached down from the trees and gobbled the duck along with some cheese. The raccoon ate the duck. Oh my goodness. The raccoon fell down through the air and landed right in the mouth of a bear. Oh no! These animals are all eating each other. Crunch, crunch, a tiger was going to roar when the bear walked in his mouth to explore. And then the tiger closed his mouth and swallowed the bear. Oh my goodness. The tiger was in for a shock. He got snapped up in the jaws of a croc. The tiger thought he was going to get away, but the crocodile ate the tiger. A whale swam up from below and swallowed the croc in one go. Gulp, gulp. But deep down inside of that huge whale, the bee had turned terribly pale. A tremble went right through his knees, and he let out an almighty achoo! The bumblebee sneezed. Remember, the bumblebee's inside the spider, inside the frog, inside the raccoon, inside the duck, inside the crocodile, inside the bear, inside the tiger. When the bumblebee sneezed, the spider woke up. And that made the frog start to choke. The frog kicked the duck, and the raccoon ran amok. The bear clutched his tummy. The tiger went numb. The crocodile did a flip. And the whale bit his lip. And finally, the whale opened up his mouth and went hiccup. And when the whale hiccuped, look what happened. Out comes the crocodile and the tiger and the bear and the raccoon and the duck and the frog and the spider and that sneezy bumblebee. The animals all tumbled out and started to sing and started to shout. As the whale swam back out to sea, the animals cried, "God bless you, bee. That was a big sneeze," but that bee's sneeze saved all the other animals. So they were friends with the bee and they didn't eat him anymore. The end. I hope you like the bee's sneeze. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.